Hey everyone, my name is Eliina and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. Today, I want to go over in this video how to edit your photo, title, and caption in an existing gallery. With this gallery selected, I want to select the photo I want to edit. Now, let's click these three little dots here and I can click Edit Media Details. This slide bar will come out from the right and I'll be able to see the Edit Details options here. So if I want to go ahead and change or add the photo title, I can add that here. You'll see that once I've added a photo title, this option will appear to use the photo title as a display name. Right now, it's just showing the file name of the photo I uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click this. You'll see right away this change takes place looking at the file over here. Below photo title, you can also edit or add a photo caption. Alright, let's go ahead and exit this out and preview what this would look like. Now you can see the photo title and photo caption appearing here. This concludes this video on how to edit your photo title and caption for your individual photos you've uploaded to your gallery. Reach out if you have any other questions on this or anything else.